Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching and all your support that you've been showing me lately. So today we're doing another easy nail design. And as you can see here, I am using the nail tips that I used in my last video along with the display, and I'll leave all the links in the description box below because I did grab them from Amazon. And I'm going to start with applying my base coat, which is from Modelones, and I'm going to apply this to all the nails. Once I apply it to all the nails, I am going to cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. And so just a little bit about this design. This design was inspired by Tabytha Scott. I don't know if you guys watch her channel, but I will leave her link in the description box below so you guys can check that out. But she is amazing. Her designs are amazing and she is very talented, so I was inspired by her. And as you can see here, I did use this nude color from Modelones as well. It doesn't have a color, at least not that I see on the bottle, but I did grab it from Amazon and it's from the Nude Gray series. And again, I'll leave that in the description box below in case you guys are interested. I did apply 2 coats of this color and I did cure in between coats for 60 seconds. Now the 2 nails that I'm pointing at, I am going to apply glitter on them, which is this one that I grabbed from Michael's this past weekend. It's a glitter iridescent. It's very beautiful. It's a big bottle. And what I'm going to do is apply this glue gel on the nail. I'm going to do very thin layers on those 2 nails with my gel brush. And then I'm not going to cure it. I'm going to apply the glitter on top of it. But before I do that, I'm going to be applying my top coat. And you'll see that in a little bit. I'm not going to be showing you both nails because it's the same process. I'm only going to be showing you this one nail. So as you can see here, I'm applying that very thin layer. And now I'm going to apply my top coat, which is also for Modelones. And I'm going to apply also a thin layer to those 2 nails. And you guys, these Modelones polishes, I absolutely love them. I've had them for a very long time now, and I absolutely love the thickness. They have very beautiful colors. I love how they apply. Very thick consistency, very pigmented. So now we're moving on to the other nails. Actually, I'm lying, we're not moving on to the other nails. Now we're going to apply the glitter. So I just took this foil again so all the extra glitter can fall in there and I can just put the extra back in the bottle, and I'm just sprinkling it on the nails, and I'm going to do this to both nails. And here I'm just tapping off the extra and cleaning off the sidewalls just so I can maintain the shape of that nail. And now after doing that, I'm going to pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Alright, so after taking the nails out of the lamp, I did just dust off the extra glitter, and this is what these 2 nails look like. And now I'm done with those. And now we're going to move on to the other nails. I am going to use this Passionate, I think it's the name that I saw, from Modelones as well. But before I do that, I am going to use this cream also from Modelones to apply on the nail first, because the design that I'm going for, I'm going to be using the orange, but I want the orange to show through, so I do want to apply the white color as the base. And I'm just going to do like a little curve design on the nail, only half of the nail, to this one and to the other one. I will be applying 2 coats of this cream color to both nails with curing for 60 seconds in between. Here I just took my little detailer brush and just filled in or corrected the little border there, which I really don't need to because I'm going to be applying rhinestones, but I'm OCD, so I had to get it right. Also, I am applying very thin layers of the cream color because I'm going to be also applying 2 coats of the orange, so I don't want that thickness. And so here I'm just taking my my buffer and removing the shine because I do want the surface a little bit rough so that orange color can have somewhere to stick to. So I'm taking that Passionate color and I'm just going to go apply it right where the white color is, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of this color as well, and I'm going to be curing for 60 seconds in between coats. And I really do love how this design came out. Again, it's a very elegant design. The color is perfect for summer, so you can wear it for summer as well. The rhinestones really did like make it pop, so I hope you guys like this design as much as I did. Okay, so here we have the final look of after applying the 2 coats of the orange. So now I'm gonna apply the rhinestones and some little beads in between the rhinestones. So I'm just grabbing that same gel glue with my brush, and I'm just placing a very thin layer right where the nude color and the orange meet. And once I'm done doing that, we'll go ahead and do the rhinestone placement. And because the rhinestone placement does take a little bit longer, I don't show you guys everything just so we can avoid this video being so long. So I'm only going to show you a little bit of it. I think I only show you one nail. I don't show you guys both nails. And here I'm just using my wax pencil, and I'm probably going to speed up this section here just so we can get to the point of this video. Okay, so here are the 2 nails already with the rhinestones placed along with the beads in between, and they look absolutely beautiful. I love the sparkle even though they're rhinestones and not Swarovskis. And so here I just applied some water decals that I've had for a while that I got from AliExpress, is these right here. And now I'm just going to top it off with the top coat from Modelones as well, and this is the final look. And here I'm just placing them on my red iguana practice hand so you can see what it will look like on a hand. And again, I love this design. If you guys love it just as much as I do, again, please support and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys again in the next video. Bye.